Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Carlos RC Addicts. Just doing an unboxing here of this axial scx10 Wrangler Rubicon. It's the JLU model. This one is the ready to run model. This is the red one that I got. I'm pretty happy with that. Had kind of like a red one already, dark orange, but it was not this RC. It was just the body for my Losi. But let's get it going. Enough talking. Let's break the seal here. We got one, two. A whole bunch of and last one. All right, so I'm gonna open this up. Pretty much pull it out of the box. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks nice. Take the box here, set it aside. See what we got here. Got the Spectrum DX3 controller. This one has the thumb assist on it, which is pretty cool because that way you can control it with one hand while you're filming. Not bad. All right, here. Let's take this guy out. Just like that. Ooh, look at that. Just tied down. Cut these tie straps here. Oh yeah, look at that. Take these ties out of here. Just like that. So this one has portal axles. My scx10iii, which I'm gonna grab right now to show you guys, it's pretty much the same, but it's just a little bit bigger. All right. There's the scx6. Just a little bit bigger, but they're essentially the same typical 4-link suspension. And then obviously big tubes the same. So the next time I go out, I'm going to take this guy with me. Obviously the GoPro head's not on at the moment, but I had to clean it up. I kind of cracked the body and stuff. I was a little rough with it last time I took it out. But anyways, video's not about that. Video's about this guy, so I'll put this one away. Just wanted to show you the size comparison between the two Jeeps. This is scx10. This is a scx6. All right, so I guess we can just pull the body panels, pins out, same as the scx6, all around. This is pretty cool. Lights are already attached. Like I said, this is the RTR version. Let me just unconnect the lights. Here we have scx10 chassis. Pretty cool. This thing is Nice. It's got the beadlock rims. Factory beadlock rims. Pretty cool. Some Nitto grapplers. Oh yeah, this thing is awesome. So I'm gonna have to obviously do a build on this. Oh, this has a front engine assembly. scx10iii doesn't have it. This one shows the alternator, the belt, all the different pulleys. That's pretty cool. Light assembly on here, pretty cool. 2-speed. There's a dig transmission. Put this lid back on here. Oh yeah, look at that. Inside, you can tell. Inside has the driver. Also has the roll bar inside, all the way inside. So I'm taking it. I can do the same thing to this as I did the scx6 and cut the roof off and have it exposed roll bar. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the messages. Get this guy back together here. Sometimes you gotta kind of fiddle with the fenders to get them up inside. So when you close it up, it actually sits down inside properly. This guy here needs to go forward a little bit. There we go. There we go. And then the back the same. There we go. Well, there it is, guys. It's the axial scx10iii Jeep Rubicon. This is my newest RC. I'm going to run it on the trail next time I go out, and hopefully I have fun like I did with the Losi. Losi's awesome, and I'm glad I had it last time I went out, but unfortunately I got this guy to run now on the scale trails, and I got the Rift all sorted out as well. The Rift's got all the lights hooked up that I put on. Got the high Xeon lights in the back. Also, I got the four pod brake assembly on here. It's actually ready to go. It's got a lot of power. It's got 4S right now, but I'm not sure. I'm going to run it with 4S because I had it on the street the other day, and it is crazy on 4S. So I think 3S is going to be for this guy here, and we'll see where this goes. I might do a rock crawling conversion to this to kind of get to tame it down a little bit. It is a little psycho, so not really sure if I'm into it or not, but it is a bigger version of my Losi, in my opinion, other than having the 2-speed and more power and everything. But I'll see what I do with this. Stay tuned. There's gonna be a lot planned for this this Rift. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. Check you guys out. Peace out.